Welcome to our YouTube channel, Triangle IP, where we help you navigate the complex world of intellectual property. Today, we're discussing a common practice that could be hindering your business: managing your intellectual property assets on Excel spreadsheets. If you're still using Excel spreadsheets for managing ideas through patents, you might have a broken patent mining process. This could be evident if you're not receiving enough invention disclosures, if you're out of sync with application updates at the USPTO, or if you're constantly rushing to file patent applications around product releases. Excel spreadsheets might seem like a convenient tool, but they're not designed for handling the unique data requirements of intellectual property management. Here are 7 reasons why managing your IP assets on Excel spreadsheets might be a bad idea. Firstly, Excel doesn't handle text well. It's great for numerical and statistical functions, but when it comes to managing ideas and patents, which are text-based, Excel falls short. Large blocks of text can either disappear or create rows so high they take up an entire sheet of paper. Secondly, Excel spreadsheets provide stale data. The data in a spreadsheet is only as current as its most recent update. This means that most of your data risks being out of date at any time. Thirdly, Excel spreadsheets are error-prone. A typo or other error in the text might not be as easy to identify and correct as it would be with numerical data. Fourthly, Excel spreadsheets provide limited filtering. While Excel can alphabetize rows based on the first letters of a text field, it provides almost nothing beyond these built-in functions for text analysis or manipulation. Fifthly, Excel spreadsheets have limited collaboration tools. For most Excel users, collaboration is clunky, with different versions of Excel spreadsheets sent by email. Sixthly, Excel spreadsheets provide limited visibility on progress. Excel is an excellent tool for plotting numbers, but it does not have any comparable tools for plotting conceptual or text-based data. Lastly, Excel spreadsheets have no inherent functionality to manage workflows. Without a way for stakeholders to know what must be done, they can become a bottleneck in your patent process. So, what's the solution? It's time to move beyond Excel spreadsheets. Law firms invest heavily in docketing systems, and there is room in the middle for tools that capture innovations and track the progress from ideas to patents. This is the role filled by Triangle IP. Contact us to learn how to implement a streamlined and robust patent mining process at your enterprise. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference in managing your intellectual property assets effectively. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on intellectual property management.